Hello my friend. Today I decided I want to do a little vlog. That's why I'm gonna sit on the couch. I just showered, washed my hair, did a little hair, put a little makeup on, and you probably hear that I have a cold. This winter is killing me. Ooh, I'm not in the picture anymore, and but I decided that I want to do a little vlog about Valentine's Day because it's getting closer. And here in the United States, it's crazy. They have so much, I would call it junk, so much stuff themed for Valentine's Day. And I thought it was gonna be fun to visit 3 stores and show you all the stuff they probably have. One is a regular pharmacy, so CVS. Other one is Target, and the other one is Home Goods, which I love. I'm not gonna buy anything because me and Henry decided not to get each other any present for Valentine's Day because we don't need anything. It's such a waste of money. We're just maybe gonna go out for dinner or eat at home. I don't know. But so I apologize for my cold. I'm just gonna take you guys out with me and show you all the stuff that I see. What I'm gonna do probably is gonna do a little voiceover to describe what you're seeing. But because I hate to talk alone with the camera, like while I'm shooting in stores, I know it's 2020 and a lot of people go around vlogging, but I still find like people think that I'm crazy. So I'm just gonna shoot with my camera and then I'll do a voiceover on top. That always works for me. So if you're new to my channel, before we start this video, please subscribe. The button is down below, and leave me a comment. Thank you again for watching, and let's start right away. So we're gonna start by Target. As you can see here in the kids section, I found a whole, obviously, section of Valentine's Day books. Again, I want to apologize for my voice. I still have a cold, but I really want to show you these few things I showed the other day. And here we come to the Valentine's Day section, which is pretty big. Obviously, there are a lot of candies. You can see they're wrapped individually. A lot of different kinds between chocolates. Here it's mostly candies, and there's some popcorns. Up here I wanted to show you this Annie's brand that I like because sometimes I'm craving like gummy bears. These even applesauce wrapped individually for Valentine's Day. I think it's crazy. And here we have a little gadgets that you can give like your friends or like kids at school, like bubble sticks to blow bubbles. Little rings. Obviously everything is full of plastic. I will never buy so much stuff because it's such a waste. Like little stickers or like projects to do with your friends. And here you're gonna see the big deal, all the chocolate stuff. As you can see, I don't even have to describe it too much, but it's a lot of chocolate. And what I care a little bit more about, here you see cards or bags, like gift bags, cards. There's so many kinds. Here you can see stickers. I don't even know how to describe it enough because I mean it's all hearts, red and pink. Here we have the baking section, like cookie cutters, little bags to give your baking stuff away, cake molds shaped obviously like hearts. These are little like sugar arrows to decorate your cupcakes or cookies. More hearts bags. And I thought it was so cute. They're like heart-shaped marshmallows and a little chocolate melting pot. I don't know what's the exact name. Here we have a lot of stuffed animals. Obviously they're gigantic because normal size is not enough for Valentine's Day. And more candies. These are the famous heart-shaped candies that have like little messages on it. All different, like love you, miss you, I don't know, a lot of different messages. You can get the little boxes and give it to your friends at school or whoever you have a crush on.
I wanted to show you the Reese's because our Henry's, my husband's favorite candy. They're chocolate with peanut butter inside. More chocolate. There's not much I can tell about all this chocolate. Here there was a little section of DIY, do yourself, Valentine's Day themed. So this photo frame that you could decorate. Candy melts to do cake pops and stuff like that. Other stuff to decorate your baking. These Crayola sets like kits to do a little mailbox for your love letters. More cards. As you can see, there are so many stands for Valentine's Day throughout the store. More stickers too. I mean, I can't repeat myself. It's a lot of cards and stickers. And here I passed to Starbucks a little bit because there was a little pink section as well. So I wanted to show you the cups and mugs that are like Valentine's Day themed. It wasn't too much, but I thought they were very cute. Now we pass to Home Goods. I thought there was gonna be so much stuff. Instead it was a normal number. It wasn't too much. So there were some baking items, a few cards, not too much, some gift bags. I actually thought these napkins were very cute because I love house stuff, but whatever. And here you find the Snoopy mugs. I have the same, I would say style, but in the Christmas theme because my daughter loves Snoopy. And here there's a whole section of mugs themed for Valentine's Day. This was right next to the cashier, so when you're in line, you can pick up something for your love. A mug with some chocolate inside. I don't know why hangers. I mean, they're pink, so I don't know if they're Valentine's Day, but anyway. Candle all wrapped nicely. And that was pretty much it for Home Goods. Just a few little items that I can't really describe. Just like nonsense, I would say pretty useless stuff. And we're gonna pass to my favorite now, which is Michael's. If you don't know Michael's, it's a do-it-yourself store, so they have everything for like craft and art, which I love, and a lot of stuff for baking. As you can see here, obviously they have a lot of baking stuff, a lot of sprinkles, cookie cutters, chocolate molds, cupcake holders, obviously a lot of candy melts. And here we pass to just like normal hearts and like bows, all kinds of stuff you can see for Valentine's Day. And it's crazy to think that it's not even Valentine's Day, it's already 40% off on everything. And most of all, more crazy is that it's just one day, Valentine's Day. I can't believe there's so much stuff. I thought these little like printing hearts were very cute. And a lot of like decoration for Valentine's Day, hearts everywhere, all kinds of tags and cards to like decorate your present. I thought these bags that you can like do the decoupage on were very cute, and basket to like carry all your candies and chocolates that you want to give away or that maybe you're getting from your Valentine. And this little project, I think they're adorable, even though you probably can just do at home yourself. So they have all the equipment you need to make what you see on top, like this little project that you can do with the kids, and they have all kinds. They have it for Christmas too. And you can give this mini like pins and stuff away to your friends too. Little bears, a lot of other projects. And here you can see mailbox that they're ready, and some you can make yourself. You can see on top how they look to get all your cards for Valentine's Day. I did never get that many that I needed a mailbox, but maybe in school here in the United States that's how it works. More stickers of any kind. And here more project with the kids. I actually love that little tulip project down there. I thought it was very cute. And to end this video, I want to show you how crazy this store is, because it already has a whole section for St. Patrick's Day, which is March 17. And as you can see, everything is green, everything is Irish, and it's crazy how much stuff gets produced. But at the same time, I think it's very cute, but I would never buy anything, especially because I don't celebrate it. But I just want to show you how much stuff there is.
So that was all the 3 stores I went to. I obviously didn't go to the pharmacy. I went to Michael's instead because I thought it was gonna be very similar to Target, but I probably already told you this in the voiceover. I hope you enjoyed this. I wanna just say that I don't really like Valentine's Day, but I think it's funny and kind of sad too to see how much stuff gets produced for this one-day holiday. And I'm definitely not gonna buy any of that stuff because I really don't need more junk in my house. But I do love chocolate, but I can just get the regular normal one. So thank you again for watching, and if you haven't leave me a comment down below, please do it now, and I'll see you very soon with a new video, maybe a recipe. I think so. Bye, have a good day.